Hello guys, welcome to Python for Data Engineering channel. Today we are going to see how we are going to install Python in your Windows system. So go to the official website of Python and choose Windows as your system, and then click on the latest Python version. So I'm just going to click on this. So you just scroll down and you can see here the Windows install based on your machine. You can select the installer. So my Windows is 64-bit. I'll be selecting this one. So once you click on that, you can see the exe file is being downloaded, and once it is complete, just click on this and you will be seeing this installation pop-up window. So I'll be going for the first option where I'll be installing directly instead of a custom installation. If you see here it is providing all the extra things, like if I want to install pip or not. All these are by default already selected. If you want to go, you can go that side, but I'll be going on the first one. So I want to add it globally. For the in the uh, program path as well, so I'll be selecting this one. So I'll click on install now. It takes little time, and be patient. Yeah, not much longer. So the now installation is successful. I just close this pop-up window, and so let's check whether it is installed or not. So I'll go to cmd command prompt, and there I'll just write python version. Yes, it's installed. Also you can make this as your python programming console. Just click on, like, write python, and you can now write the python basic program like print hello world. Hello world. Yes, you can do all the basic operations here. So we are completed the installation part now. So, and happy learning. We will see you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.